Hey, have you ever stopped mid-recipe, hands deep in a hot oven, and thought, who even came up with oven mitts? No, seriously, these padded kitchen heroes have saved us from countless burns, but their story? It is weirder, way more fascinating than you'd ever guess. From medieval blacksmiths to flaming pine cones, stick around because today, we are diving into the quirky, hilarious, and surprisingly epic history of oven mitts. Welcome back to the channel, you curious history buffs and kitchen warriors. Today, we are tackling something you have probably never given a second thought to: oven mitts. These things are in every kitchen, quietly saving our hands from third-degree burns while we wrestle with lasagna or a rogue pizza. But behind their fluffy exterior lies a tale of ingenuity, evolution, and some downright bizarre moments. We will uncover where they came from, how they have changed, why they matter culturally, and toss in some wild facts that will make you the star of your next dinner party. So grab a snack, do not burn yourself, and let's get cooking. Okay, let's start at the beginning. Where did oven mitts even come from? Believe it or not, we are going way back to medieval times, when people did not have cute quilted mitts, but still needed to handle fire. Think blacksmiths. They had used thick leather gloves to grab molten metal or pull stuff from forges. Not exactly kitchen vibes, but it is the same idea. Do not burn your hands. Now, fast forward to the 1600s. People were roasting meat over open hearths, and things got creative. Some folks used folded cloths or even, get this, pine cones wrapped in fabric to yank stuff out of the flames. Yeah, pine cones. It is like the DIY oven mitt of the Dark Ages. By the 1800s, as stoves became a thing, people started sewing padded fabric into crude mitt-shaped center, the oven mitt's awkward teenage years. So, from blacksmith gloves to pinecone hacks, oven mitts were born out of pure necessity and a little desperation. Now, let's talk about how oven mitts grew up and got fancy. By the early 1900s, home cooking was booming, and so was the need for better gear. Enter the first mass-produced oven mitts. Think basic quilted cotton, nothing too wild. But then World War II hit, and materials got scarce. So people improvised with whatever they had: doled coats, blankets, you name it. Post-war, that is when things got fun. The 1950s brought bold colors and patterns, polka dots, florals, even little chickens stitched on. Fast forward to the 70s, and silicone entered the chat suddenly. Mitts could handle crazy heat and look like sci-fi props. Today, we've got mitts with magnets, extra long sleeves, even ones that double as puppet toys for kids. From humble rags to high-tech silicone, oven mitts have evolved into the kitchen MVPs we know and love. Okay, but why do oven mitts matter beyond just not burning yourself? They are actually a sneaky little symbol of home and comfort. Think about it: Grandma's mitts, passed down with her secret cookie recipe. That is heritage right there. In America, they are tied to the rise of the suburban kitchen, those 1950s ads with perfect housewives and their trusty mitts. Globally, they pop up differently, like in Japan, where cute character mitts are a thing, from Hello Kitty to sushi rolls. They have even hit pop culture. Remember that scene in Home Alone where Kevin's uncle juggles pizza with a mitt? Iconic oven mitts are not just tools, they are a vibe, a memory, a piece of who we are in the kitchen. All right, time for the good stuff: some oven mitt facts that will blow your mind.